Hey, hi guys, welcome back. I was out getting some rabbit food for our favorite bunnies. I went out to Wetaskiwin, Alberta, and I did take my Mavic Mini along with me. And it's fairly cold outside, but I decided to give it a whirl anyway and see just a quick flight. Outside temperature 6 Fahrenheit or minus 14 Celsius. So not overly cold, but cold enough. And as I'm panning around, everything seemed to be normal till I got about halfway around there. And then I ended up with getting a warning, a wind warning on the display. And I was kind of going, okay, well, it's not very windy out. What the heck's going on? And I'm not sure why I got a wind warning. If you look and probably see in some of these videos here, in the video, that the plumes of smoke aren't, from the exhaust from the buildings, aren't drifting off real hard to the side. They're pretty much coming straight up. So there's not a heck of a lot of wind going on. But the temperature was fairly cold, and I'm wondering if the cold temperature actually affected the sensor. So it did give me that warning, like wind warning first, and then the cold temperature warning, and indicated that errors may occur, and it advised you to land immediately. So I decided to cut it short. I did want to fly right around the water tower, but I thought, well, if I'm getting a warning, I don't want to risk it. Anyhow, that's kind of it. We're looking north at the water tower. Way in the background is where Edmonton is, but you can't see it. So just wanted to kind of show that. And unfortunately, too cold to go do the real fly around that I wanted to do. So, but as you see, it's winter, it's cold, it's not that much snow on the ground yet, but we are November 30th of 2019, so give it time. I'm sure we'll get 2 or 3 more feet and get it all happy. Anyway, there's me in the van as I'm landing it. I'm staying warm. Smart move, right? So, lots of fun. Anyway, that's it for now, guys. Thanks for watching from Wetaskiwin, Alberta. Bye for now. Cheers.